In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change your Atome card PIN code. First things first, you want to head over to your Atome application. You could be using your Apple device or Android. Regardless, the steps will be the same. From here, you want to navigate through your card and click on the Manage button. Inside this section, find View CVV and Setting, and then we'll able to see our virtual card and our physical card. So you want to click on this arrow right here, right beside the Atome virtual card button, and it will switch to your physical card, and with that it will also change the available options for our card right here. Now it says change 4-digit PIN and lock. You want to click on the change 4-digit PIN, and from there you will be able to edit it depending on your liking. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.